Good.
Okay, so this is a sample student portfolio, and it will have a homepage with some information about the students, a welcome note, and then we took this idea from Sean's screencast, where we have the units of inquiry and all 6 transdisciplinary themes, right? And as you go to the first one, it's a block. Same way, and in this way, you can keep the whole school life of the students through the primary school here. And I just pulled examples from different kids, right? And these work with tags so that you can also filter. And it will be the same like for reading and writing, math specialist, right? So.
And they could, if they went into 6th grade and continued with this, they could just build on this.
Keep on
And
building.
even add more tabs if specialists, they take French or another language or something else, they could just add more tabs there and just continue to build onto this.
I mean,
Just maybe with the reading and writing suggestion, have it just as language, and then the drop down is the strands of language: speaking, listening, viewing, writing.
yeah, of course. And well, this is, as we mentioned before, just a sample structure that we came up with. But this is what we've been waiting for. Like, what has to be in the portfolio and how to organize it, right?
Yeah, so that everyone can organize the same.
Yeah. Right now, as we mentioned, that this year would be like a trial into the tool, getting to know the tool. Every teacher had, or every grade level had decided on a structure. So this is an EC3 example where the PYP page has all the units right there for this school year, and it's pretty much a static page, right? And this is
Grade 2.
of grade 2 student. He has a landing page, and then each unit has their own page, but it's again a static static page where they share what they've done, their reflections, some work they have done, and this is what it's going on for now. It's pretty much the structure most grade levels have acquired. Of course, with more items as they are older, right? But
Yes, right now in grade 4 and grade 5, the specialists are adding into the art and music, they're scanning pieces. The lower grades, I don't think they have included much from the specialists yet. And then every grade level varies at this point, but what we would like, because we're meeting with the teachers every other week and continuing to work on this, they're asking us, what will it look like in August so that we can start building towards that? And so we would like to determine that soon so that we can help the teachers and the students go in that direction. We would still have to change the site name to make it just one for the kid without the year, the grade level, which is a very easy thing to do. And then just build the tabs based on what is decided with the leadership team.
now, something that we really like about the blog structure that we saw is the possibility of filtering the information, the content. So as we were testing this, we added some tags, the key concepts, the unit of inquiry, and the grade level. Or not the transdisciplinary theme and the grade level. So if I decide to search for
Who we are,
Position?
or
so I get all the entries that has this key concept as part of their tagging, right? Or if I want all in grade 3, so I get only the blog post that has grade 3, and I can see. So that is great. Now, how does this work? And it's what we love about Weebly. It's this really, really simple, really easy to use. You can come in anytime and see our first graders doing this like they were professionals already. It's lovely.
Yes, we talked about that this morning, so we'll invite Chad and
Yes,
to see
definitely.
some of the
So
we should get a
younger
quick
ones.
film of that too, because I think that's really
Yeah.
important.
yeah, I'm gonna show you right now. So as soon as you get into the Weebly editor tool, you get this toolbar down here, and it's as easy as dragging and dropping. So let's say I need a landing page for unit of inquiry, and I need a title. So I just pull down, drag there, type, and then I need some text. So I just pull down the text, I decide where to put it, click, and start using it. And it works the same for images, galleries. You can put many pictures at the same time, slideshows,
Videos too.
videos as well. This is down here. You can have videos. You can record. The kid can record themselves and publish it there. And if we're using the blog option, and they can use it from a mobile device, they can just
Upload from the
Weebly
or
app,
phone.
In the iPad.
record, and just use it, and it's really
And
easy.
those elements that have a star,
Mhm.
those are that's the pro version, which is the paid version. So if you're not paying and you're using this for free, you have every other option except for the star, which are really important, the video. So the other option you would have is the YouTube, which we were using at the beginning. Only after you link your YouTube video and everything, you get all those little squares with the YouTube most popular ones, and some might be
Sometimes they're
inappropriate.
inappropriate.
Yes.
Gotcha.
So that's when we
we
decided to
still-
move to
yeah.
Pro,
Yes.
right?
The great thing about the blog also is that it puts the date.
Yes,
Which I
I'm
know
gonna
is
I'm
one
gonna
of the things
make
that
an
we-
entry right now, and I'm gonna go to who we are, and it's you just create a new post, and as soon as you put new post, all these tools get available, and you can just pull in as many as elements as you need, and you can even decide on the date if you don't want to change it. Yeah, you can change it.
You can put the calendar news. Oh, it was yesterday.
Yes,
You can change this.
Yeah.
you can put the tags that need to go there,
Mhm.
and you can create another category just by clicking and adding.
Are we capable of creating the categories in advance?
No, you create as you start.
It's individualized per.
Yeah, but as soon as you create it once, it's there forever. So
For the whole site.
for the whole site, yes. So now we have a new category right there.
Yes.
Right.
And so probably ahead of time we would have to determine what are the key categories that would be useful for the kids, whether it's a grade level, the themes probably,
Concepts,
concepts,
attitudes maybe
or
also.
Right.
I don't know,
With
it could be a
spellings.
really
Mhm.
long list, or we want to keep it shorter. Those
And
kinds of
it's
things.
something that can easily you can always add more as
Yeah.
you need it,
Our
right?
idea was
Because
to
for the
have small amounts of pages
mm-hmm,
so that you were bringing things together in a visual way,
mm-hmm,
but have as many categories as you actually need.
yeah,
Yeah.
Making sure that they're spelled correctly, because then you lose your searching ability
yeah, yeah.
if they're all spelled different.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes.
And that's what I
Um,
was also
that
thinking
would be
with the
key.
grade levels and things. We will have to make sure all the kids know,
Right.
and
Is it
all, anyone
G2
who's
or is it
adding
grade
in
2
would
or-
need
Yeah.
to always use the same format.
Yeah, the same.
Completely.
Yes, throughout.
So that the search tool
Yes,
would work.
and all
Mhm.
teachers need to know about that. And maybe this is where the moms could come in handy, because if the moms could help create the categories with perfect spelling, just make sure that that's there already for everyone.
In each kid's
Boom, then the
site.
kids just check. This is related to grade 2, new learning, and reflection.
I see the share draft, send a secret link to a friend. Is there, I think I saw this when I looked it up because you and I were talking
Mhm.
about it. I think there's a plugin for Weebly to allow somebody to subscribe to your every post. I think, I don't know if you've
There
seen
is
it.
an RSS. Yeah,
There is.
yeah,
There
yeah.
is.
You can enable it, and you can also save to drafts and then go back and continue editing. And I'm gonna delete this.
Within the blog pages.
Yes, I'm gonna save to draft, and you will get to see it here. There's one draft that you can go back
But
and
it's
edit
hidden.
at any time. It's hidden, nobody else but you can see it. That's why you got that one that says send the private link to a friend for like give me your
Because
feedback.
it was still a draft.
It's a draft. It's a work in progress. Yeah. And then you can always decide how do you want your blog to look like, how many entries you want in a page, and so on. So it's blog settings, if you want comments or not, how many entries.
And we have found that the support for Weebly is very good. They respond right away. Some of the classroom teachers feel free to write to them directly, and they've been getting answers. They have a live chat, and a very good support page as well. So they're getting back to us in less than a day with some sort of a solution to the things we've been asking.
Can you, at the end of the process, give the portfolio to the students?
Yes, we should be able to export.
Yes, yeah.
In the settings.
In the setting,
This is way down
Panel.
the track, and who's to say whether Weebly will be
sure.
the choice or whether it'll evolve
Of course.
12 years from now. But
Yeah, you have the option for
Yeah, I can see
archive or
where it's
unpublish, and here you say create an archive,
Mhm.
and then you
It
get
compresses.
and downloads everything in a folder structure that you can either upload to another host
Mhm.
or just keep somewhere
Mhm.
for your reference. And it's a really simple thing to do. It's just click,
Mhm.
you get an email, and you're done. It's really cool.
And so if we have RSS feeds, I can show you the dashboard. I think I showed you to Jimena. We would be able to put together a dashboard for teachers that will have, like, well, ultimately the whole grade and the whole school for Greg, but the actual updates, and as students update things, it'll show that's the newest.
So teachers see who's updating and who's doing what. Yes.
'Cause that's definitely logistically a really important thing. Otherwise, you guys will always be the keeper of the portfolios, and if anybody wants to know anything, they'll have to harass you.
No, we should not be the ones.
All right.
So that's
Do you want to stop the screen recording?
Sure.
Okay.